You might be surprised by some of the personal information I share in this video, but as an Amazon influencer, I do whatever it takes. If you're like me, you've seen a lot of younger women share the benefits of using Laneige products, like this best selling lip glowy balm. Well, I'm in my 60s and I want you to see for yourself if this is right for someone like you or me. It goes on smooth and my lips feel hydrated. My name is Ileane Smith and I highly recommend. Yeah, when you make shoppable videos or review videos, whatever y'all want to call them, they're shoppable videos though. Yeah, it pays to be honest and authentic. And yeah, it may not pay a lot, but it still pays. And you feel good. You can sleep at night. If you want to know more about being an Amazon influencer, stay tuned. And as always, stay beautiful.